Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the Hijabis world. Today we are going to introduce, I will be doing a review of this herbal tea by Himani's. Lately I started using it and it's very effective. So I thought if I am using it and I feel and see the effects of it, why don't I share with you all? So it's the perfect diet tea for healthy living. It is it's incredible. I'll tell you, there are many things inside this beautiful, amazing box. It says that you can lose like more than 6 kgs in 14 days, and it's like wow. When I found out, I was like, oh my god, I need to have this tea. But then one thing they told me that if you just take this tea, it's not going to affect. It will definitely affect when you will start using this tea. And along with this tea, what we need to do is, this is the difficult bit. The difficult bit is that we need to follow this diet plan. We will be following this diet plan for good 14 days. And along with that diet plan, as you can see, these are the diet plans for 2 weeks. And along with these diet plans, we have to use tea bags, as in the green tea, the tea they are offering, the special tea, a slimming tea. There are like 3 different tea bags. One is the Rise and Shine, and this Rise and Shine we are supposed to take in the morning, after the breakfast. And if you will take this, you will rise and shine. And then there is the second, second time when we have to have it. We are going to have it breakfast time. Lunch time, and it says refreshing afternoon. It gives you kick to start an amazing, refreshing afternoon. So this is the second one that we are going to have at lunchtime. And then there is the third one, and it says peaceful night. These are the effects we are going to have, and actually I am feeling those effects while having this. So I thought, why don't I share it with my friends, my sisters, and of course my brothers and all the people who watch my tutorials and videos. So this is Himani's perfect diet tea for healthy living. It's the peaceful night tea, and it makes you have this amazing sleep, because it's all about digestion. And if you're having the best food, and along with that you're using these different टीज जो आपको मुख्तलिफ टाइम के ऊपर लेनी है, अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आपकी लाइफ जो है वो बहुत हेल्दी हो जाएगी. About this, why I am so for Himani's products. Why? Because they are all natural. सारे जो हैं इनके प्रोडक्ट्स वो हर्ब्स से बनते हैं. और मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये हमारा मॉर्निंग की जो टी है, विच सेज राइज एंड शाइन. Can you see, these are so beautiful packings. हाइजीन का कितना ख्याल रखा गया है इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, कि आज तक मैंने कोई ऐसे टी बैग्स या कोई ऐसे नहीं देखा कि जिनको इस तरह से इतनी अमेजिंगली उनकी पैकिंग की गई हो और उनकी हाइजीन का इतना अमेजिंगली ख्याल रखा हो. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, एंड व्हेन वी ओपन इट you get something like this. Out of this pyramid you get this sachet, and it looks like this. And it is और आप जो बेस्ट पार्ट है कि इसके अंदर जितनी भी herbs हैं, we can see all these herbs and we can tell exactly कि इसमें कौन सी है. if you really know about the herbs और जड़ी बूटियों के बारे में आप जानते हैं. So this is how it looks, and this is how it is. So it's perfect because it's the fragrance is amazing, and these are all pure herbs. And what else one can have but the natural life. And they say their tagline is live natural. और जितना हम नेचर के करीब रहेंगे उतना बेहतर होगा. So what we need to do is, and one more thing, another beautiful stuff they have in this packet, and it has one Himani's Live Natural cup along with this spoon. So we can have this green tea in this cup, and it's amazing. It says perfect diet. So I'm using it. I am feeling the change in my body, in my life, in my work. It gives me amazing kick for the day. So I thought I should share it with you people. I hope you will order this also. I will give all the links under the description box where you can go and find these, and inshallah we will be having this tea at on our website also. So, and I am 120% sure that you are going to see very positive effects. So try it. And if you like it, just keep me in your prayers. Look after yourselves, live natural, live happy, and don't forget to smile. And don't forget to wear hijabis with style and smile on your faces. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.